Hey friends, welcome to video number 2 of the design along Greenery Blanket. So use the hashtag Greenery Blanket if you post photos on Instagram, and go ahead and tag me at the Ellen Gormley on Instagram so I'll see them. Okay, so we already did round 1, and if you missed it, go check it out in the previous video. But we're now on to round 2. So I'm choosing the colors for us in the first few videos, but then I'm going to have you vote on the next color, and your vote will determine if we keep going with the project, and if so, which color we're going to use next. So we've got Knit Picks Brava, and we have Paint Box by Love Crafts going on here. So these are the different colors that we have available. And I'll make sure that we have at least 25 votes before I make the next video. That way I make sure that you're still with me and still interested. I'm placing a slip knot on my hook. This is an eye-size hook. It's the same hook I used before. Not all hooks are created equal, so Theo's there causing me trouble here. So if you're using whatever size hook you decide to use for your project, use the same exact hook all the way throughout. I'm going to join with a single crochet in any of the double crochets. There were 12 double crochets on the first round, joining with a single crochet, and then I'm going to front post double crochet around the same exact stitch that I worked into. Okay, and we're going to do this all the way around. Remember, you can make this pattern into the greenery hat, and that pattern is available in my book One Skein Crochet, and I do have a tutorial video available for it. But we're turning this into a blanket, so you're designing along with me, and you'll see how it develops. And please go to your stash and grab a bunch of yarn. And if you need some more yarn, check out the links in the description below for my affiliate links to Knit Picks and Love Crafts. So I'm still continuing to single crochet and then double crochet in the same stitch all the way around. So where I had 12 stitches before, I will now have 24 by the time I'm done. Single crochet in the stitch and then front post double crochet around the same stitch. Okay, the beginning chain 3 of the previous round counted as a stitch, so it's a little bit harder to get the hook in there, but make sure you don't miss it, and we will make sure to count stitches at the end of this round to make sure we have 24. So we're placing 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in every stitch. We will have a fair amount of ends with this project because we're changing colors every round, which is so much fun. And I know you all just love projects that are a kaleidoscope of color. I know I do. And it is a relaxing and valuable use of our time and a valuable use of our stash. So I think you're going to have a lot of fun. Later in this project, when we make our circle the width of our shoulders, if you guys are still voting and still coming along with this process, at that point, if you want me to show you where to stop to put in armholes so that it can become a circle jacket, I can do that. Please leave a comment below if you're interested in turning your greenery blanket into a greenery circle jacket. Okay, so we're still moving along with the single crochet in each stitch and a front post double crochet in each stitch. And we are going to finish up with a front post double crochet and then join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. And I am going to count because sometimes that beginning chain does get confusing. So let's see what we've got here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. We are right on target. This is the end of round 2. So it's time for you to righties click in the upper right-hand corner of this video to get on to round number 3, and lefties click on the video in the upper left-hand corner so that you can be on to round 3. And I will see you in the next video. So exciting.